Hello students, so in the last class we studied what is carbohydrate, protein and fats, right? So we will test for carbohydrate, protein and fats in the given food in today's class, okay? So we all know that carbohydrate is present in the form of starch in our food, okay? So the first test we'll be doing today is the test for starch in some food materials, okay? So for that we need an iodine solution, okay, because iodine solution is an indicator for starch. Starch gives blue black color in the presence of iodine solution. So this is a picture of iodine solution. So we will take a sample of food item, which in this case is rice, in the test tube and add a few drops of iodine to it, okay. So if it turns blue and black color, then it indicates the presence of carbohydrate or starch. So the rice turns into blue and black color, so it contains starch, okay. Similarly, we will take a potato and then test it for starch. Now taking a piece of potato, we will add a small amount of iodine solution using a dropper. Please observe carefully what happens. You can observe that the potato is slowly turning into blue black color, right? So this indicates the presence of starch in the potato, okay. So test for starch in given food material, this is the step. And the next is test for protein in the given food materials. So for this test we need food material, water, test tube, 10% sodium hydroxide solution and 2% copper sulfate solution, a dropper, okay. So we will take red gram flour as a food item and then take a little amount of gram flour into the test tube, add a little water to the flour and then shake it well, okay. So now we'll add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and then we will add 10 drop of sodium hydroxide solution, okay, drop by drop. So if the red gram flour turns purple, then it indicates the presence of protein, right? So you can see that it is changing into purple, so it indicates the presence of protein in the gram flour, okay. Similarly, we will test for protein in the milk. We add few amount of milk in the test tube and then add copper sulfate solution and then sodium hydroxide solution, okay, drop by drop. You can see that the milk is also turning into purple color, so it indicates the presence of protein in the milk, okay. Now the third test is the test for fats in the food materials, okay. So for this test we have to take a food sample, this is ghee, and rub it gently on a piece of paper. If the paper turns translucent, then the substance contains fat, okay. So you can see that the paper has turned translucent, hence fats are present in ghee. Okay. Similarly, if we take groundnut and then rub it on the paper, you can see that the paper has turned translucent. Okay, so it also indicates the presence of fats in the groundnut. So that's what it's for today's class. And if you have any doubt regarding today's class, then let me know. Okay, thank you.